Alright guys, so I have a new shipment in, and if you've been waiting, because I've been waiting for these to come in, I will be packaging these today. These are the Chakra crystals, so that way you will get these in your kits. If you have watched this channel and are inquiring about any of the sound healing or sound therapy, email me at TheCPRVibe@gmail.com. I'll give you any information you need on any of the instruments that I use, and I have lots more to share with you guys. I've been sharing the singing bowls, but I have lots of different things that I want to share with you guys. And if you want to inquire about getting yourself a meditation kit, I ship them all over the world, and I ship out every week. And I thank you guys for the referrals, family members that are contacting family members and seeing a change in people's energy and their way that they're handling their anxiety. Some people have literally been able to push certain medications to the side and all that good stuff. So I'm excited. I am grateful to the universe and God for blessing me to just step out and share who I am, because it's been a blessing to so many. But yeah, I'm going to be shipping these out. I was just showing my daughter how to cleanse anything that we get by smudging or holding in her hand or put in the bowls and stuff like that. So I'm teaching her at a young age how to do things, and I will be sharing with you guys as well in-depth videos on the setup of your meditation kits, the chakras one by one, the imbalance and the balance chakras. Also about your bowls and setting your intentions and all that good stuff. And just manifesting, scripting, all that stuff will be on this channel. If that's something you enjoy, make sure you hit the subscribe and also hit the bell, so that way you are notified when I load new videos. But I will do a lot of updates on this channel. So if you are one of my mentees and we talk and you're looking for certain videos, more than likely they will be placed here, so that way if you can't get in touch with me, you would know how to utilize or do certain things when preparing for your new meditation kit when it comes in the mail. All right, I'll talk to you guys later, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. And remember, you are the most important person in your life, and stick to your script because you are the best at it. Later, Gators.